In today's video, we'll dive into a detailed guide on how to download Udemy courses on your PC. Stick around, and we'll cover everything you need to know. First things first, not all courses allow for lecture downloads due to platform security measures. Let's check if your desired lecture is eligible. Move your cursor to the gear icon at the bottom right of the lecture player. If download lecture is not grayed out, you're in luck. Click on those two words to initiate the download process. It's important to note that the quality of the downloaded video will match the resolution you set while viewing the course on udemy.com. For example, if you're watching at 720p, your downloaded video will mirror this resolution. Now, let's address common issues you might encounter during the download process. If your download is taking too long, check your internet connection speed. If it's less than 5 Mbps, lower the video quality to reduce the file size. Restart your modem or router to improve your connection. Consider downloading during peak internet hours for a stronger connection. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to download Udemy courses on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy learning!